Hey guys, so today we are making a liquid floor polish. So the ingredients: 800 gram water, 175 gram glycerin, 20 gram alfox, 5 gram turpentine. So we are mixing it together. Put all in here and start to mix it together. Mix it. You will see, guys, it will start to change color. And then we mix it. So then we want to use a clear one first. Let's put it on the floor and see if it's working. So guys, we want to see if this polish is working. Let's put a little bit on the floor. So now, if it's like this, it will be like this. It will just shine. So now, if you want a red one, let me show you how. So guys, if you want it to be red, I have oxide here. It's a red oxide, guys. So we put a red oxide inside here and mix it until it's red. Let's do that. We just mix oxide with our polish. We just mix and mix. So guys, I use a separate container because I want shiny polish and red one. But what you do, you just put the oxide in and then mix it. And then mix it. And then let's see. Let's put it on the floor. And leave it a bit. That's how we make our floor polish, guys. See you on my next video. Bye. So guys, let me show you another way of making a floor polish. You take this painting, the dry paintings and everything. If it's dry, it doesn't matter what color it is. You take that painting, heat it on a stove, and then put a paraffin, and then our dye. It doesn't matter if it's blue, it's green, it's what, because dye will change the color, guys. So we put a dye, and then a little bit of paraffin. Then we have our floor polish. So mine, I will put this clear floor polish, just a little bit. If you don't have this clear floor polish, you just put paraffin, and then you're good to go. And then you're good to go, guys. Just make sure the color is right. As you can see, mine is pinkish now. Just the color, guys. Color and paraffin. And we can go. We can have a nice floor. So yeah, guys, see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.